Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a Jamaican woman who triumphed over poverty, child abuse, and homelessness. Kian Morgan has the details.
A two-bedroom house in Christian Penn Gregory Park, St. Catherine, was home to Andrine Lewis Longwe and her 5 male siblings. Poverty was all she knew growing up.
Me and my brother, we cross the river. We get to the dumpster, search it up, pick the clothes out, come home, wash them, and yeah, that was our attire. And the best part we could get if we could buy it. I don't know if you know Punish Town Road, Bendong Market. We still got Bendong Market and, take up them old block where, used to wash them.
If that wasn't bad enough, at age 15, she became pregnant. The result of being sexually abused.
The Women's Center was a lifesaver. And, they got me back into school. And then from there, I went on to Heart Academy, Stony Heart Academy. Yeah. And they helped me and I got my first little job. You could say that was a turning point in my life.
Her fortunes changed in 2002 when she got an opportunity to travel to the UK. But it was not without struggles. After arriving in the country, she discovered that she was 2 weeks pregnant with her second child and later became homeless.
I thought going to the dump was hard. I thought not having much food was difficult. I thought that, the life that I laid out was difficult. But when I realized abuse, what that meant, I spent 8 years of my life crying.
An epitome of resilience, Andrine fought back. She worked 3 jobs and pursued her education at 2 colleges in the United Kingdom. Today, she's now the founding director of Break Barriers Nursing Home in Nottingham, England.
When I look back on my starting point, it was set for disaster. When I looked at all the obstacles that I've had to overcome, and what I would say to somebody listening is that you can sit and you can hate. And you can sit and you can have pity party, but that's not going to get you anywhere.
Andrine, who also operates Break Barriers Caring Hands Jamaica Limited on Holdup Road, says self-worth was key to her success.
Don't let other people put value on you. And once you can start identify your own value and your own worth, you're on a good, you start making headway to changes in your life.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.